right there. This is the SYMPA desk lamp right here. This light right here lasts for 50,000 hours. Boom. Get the AC adapter. This also obviously plugs into a wall. The other end plugs into your lamp. Whoa, look at the lamp right here. Instruction manual right here from SYMPA. Oh yeah, nice finish. I like the colors. It's a weighted base, nice. Look at that smooth rotation. Look at that smooth rotation. Look at the angle right there. And the touch sensitivity controls right here. Ooh, the angle. Oh, this angle too. What? Look at all those angles, dude. There's rotation. You got this rotation, this rotation, this rotation, this rotation, and you got this rotation too. So many rotations. You got the USB port back here. This port right here, so you can charge your devices. Just plug in your charging cable, and you can charge your phone or your tablet or your e-reader right here. Charging port. This is where you plug in the AC adapter. Plug in the AC adapter. You have the touch control right here. Push on the power button right here. Boom. Whoa! So smooth. So we're at level 7 right now. Look at all the brightness right here. So many brightness. Look how cool this light is. It's very smooth and comfortable. That's super bright right there. That's the lowest level to the highest level in one touch. Very cool. Or you can slide your fingers down here. You have different levels. So you can go to level 1. You're going to slide it. As you slide along, it changes the brightness. That's so cool. Very smooth brightness adjustment right here. Super easy to adjust the brightness. You tap right here. That's how you adjust the color temperature. So there's different color temperature. Oh, that's sweet. This is cool white. This is a little bit warmer. That's more warm. That's more warm. And that's really warm right there. So you have 5 different temperature adjustments, 7 different brightness adjustments. All this rotation right here. This light is so cool. You can push it down right here. You can pull it up right there. Adjust this angle. Turn that angle. You see all these angles? Look, you can angle it back to me. Look at that cool angle right there. This light is raw, guys. And you have the different brightness adjustment. Super bright right there. You can adjust the color. Boom, right there. Change the color. Oh my gosh. The color temperature adjustment is so simple. So easy. Really warm color if you want to. You have the USB charging port right here. Or you can go to the cool white. This is the SYMPA adjustable desk lamp right here. Very cool. Very adjustable. The adjustable desk lamp from SYMPA right there. Oh yeah.